Are you a photographer looking to showcase your work and make money? Then you need to check out Clickasnap. In this quick and easy tutorial, we'll show you how to use Clickasnap to sell your photos and build your brand. Step 1. Create an account. Sign up for a free account on Clickasnap and start uploading your photos. Step 2. Set your prices. Decide how much you want to charge for your photos and set your prices accordingly. Step 3. Build your brand. Customize your profile and showcase your best work. Use keywords and tags to make it easy for potential customers to find you. Step 4. Promote your photos. Share your photos on social media and other platforms to drive traffic to your Clickasnap profile. Step 5. Get paid. Clickasnap pays you every time someone views your photo, so sit back and watch the money roll in. By following these simple steps, you can use Clickasnap to showcase your photography skills, build your brand, and make money on the side. So what are you waiting for? Start uploading your photos today.